The Philippines, an archipelago of over 7,000 islands scattered like emeralds across the azure canvas of the Pacific Ocean. This is a land where history whispers from ancient ruins, where vibrant culture explodes in a riot of color and music, and where the warmth of the people is as radiant as the tropical sun. Welcome to a land of diverse landscapes, from the emerald rice terraces of Banawe to the pristine beaches of Boracay. Prepare to be captivated by the Philippines, a destination that awakens the soul and leaves an indelible mark on the heart. The Philippines is a land of contrasts. It boasts bustling cities teeming with modern marvels, yet it remains deeply rooted in its rich history and traditions. This unique blend of old and new is what makes the Philippines a truly fascinating destination. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, the Philippines has something to offer every traveler. But beyond its stunning natural beauty, the Philippines is a country that resonates with the spirit of its people. Filipinos are known for their warmth, hospitality, and infectious joy for life. It's a place where smiles are genuine, conversations flow freely, and laughter is the universal language. Get ready to be embraced by the infectious energy, enchanted by the natural wonders, and captivated by the cultural tapestry of the Philippines. This is an invitation to discover the hidden gems and experience the magic that awaits in this Southeast Asian paradise. The Philippines boasts a history as rich and intricate as the designs woven into its traditional textiles. Millennia ago, ancient civilizations thrived on these islands, leaving behind a legacy of intricate pottery, burial jars, and rice terraces that continue to amaze archaeologists and visitors alike. Then came the Spanish in the 16th century. They ruled for over 300 years, leaving an indelible mark on the country's architecture, religion, and culture. The echoes of this colonial past can be seen in the grandeur of the walled city of Intramuros in Manila, the Baroque churches that dot the countryside, and the Spanish influences woven into the fabric of Filipino language and cuisine. The turn of the 20th century saw the Philippines transition to American rule. This era brought about a new wave of cultural influences, evident in the country's education system, love for basketball, and the prevalence of American brands and fast food chains even today. After World War II, the Philippines finally gained its hard-won independence. This pivotal moment in history ushered in a new era of self-determination and national identity. The struggle for freedom had forged a resilient spirit in the Filipino people, a spirit that continues to drive the nation forward. The Philippines' journey through time has been a tapestry woven with threads of colonization, resilience, and ultimately, independence. This rich history is palpable in every corner of the archipelago, waiting to be discovered and understood by those who seek to truly know the Philippines. The Philippines, once primarily an agricultural nation, has experienced significant economic growth in recent decades. It has transitioned to become a significant player in the global economy with a diverse range of industries driving its progress. One of the key drivers of this growth is the business process outsourcing sector. The Philippines has become a global hub for call centers, IT services, and other outsourcing operations. This industry has created millions of jobs and fueled a surge in foreign investment. Tourism is another major contributor to the Philippine economy. The country's natural beauty, from its pristine beaches to its majestic mountains, attracts millions of visitors annually. This influx of tourists has led to a boom in the hospitality industry, creating jobs and supporting local communities. Furthermore, the Philippines is rich in natural resources, including minerals, timber, and agricultural products. The mining, agriculture, and manufacturing sectors continue to play vital roles in the economy, providing employment and contributing to export revenue. While challenges remain, the Philippine economy is on an upward trajectory. The government is actively pursuing policies to attract foreign investment, improve infrastructure, and promote sustainable growth. This dynamic blend of traditional industries and emerging sectors positions the Philippines for a bright economic future. The Philippines is a democratic republic with a presidential system of government. The president serves as the head of state, head of government, and the commander-in-chief of the armed forces. Elected every 6 years, the president leads the executive branch and appoints the cabinet. The legislative power resides in the bicameral Congress, composed of the Senate and the House of Representatives. Senators are elected at large, while representatives are elected from both legislative districts and party lists. They are responsible for crafting and passing laws. The judiciary is independent and headed by the Supreme Court. It interprets laws, ensures justice, and safeguards constitutional rights. The Philippines has a multi-party system with a vibrant political landscape reflecting diverse ideologies and priorities. The country faces challenges common to developing nations, such as poverty, inequality, and corruption. However, the government is implementing reforms to address these issues, promote transparency, and strengthen democratic institutions. The Philippines continues to evolve as a democracy with a commitment to upholding the rule of law and ensuring a just and equitable society for all its citizens. The active participation of its citizenry in the democratic process is crucial to shaping the nation's future.